In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to download Better Discord on Mac. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna search up download Better Discord for Mac. Then you're gonna click on the second link and then click download. Once you click it, it's gonna start installing the Better Discord app. But in my case, I've already downloaded it, so I'm just gonna cancel this and show you the next step. You're gonna go to your Finder, Downloads, and this will be your file. You're just gonna double click on your file and it's gonna give you a package right there. So you're just gonna click on your package and it's gonna give you this error. It cannot be opened. So to solve this error, you'll have to go to System Preferences. You'll have to go to Security and Privacy, and in the General tab, you'll have to open the lock. So I'm just gonna, you'll have to enter your laptop's password. So as you guys can see, Better Discord was blocked. So you're just gonna click open anyway. Open. So now it's gonna open it up. Then you're gonna accept the agreement. Click next. You're gonna click install Better Discord. So next. And then once you have your Discord app installed, for my case, I've not activated my Discord yet. So once you have your Discord app, you just have to click your Discord and click install. Then your Better Discord will be downloaded successfully, and then you can use this functionality on your Discord. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.